Sperometer. Materials required: white paper, plain glass slab, sperometer, glass strip, spherical surface, pencil. Procedure. The main parts of a sperometer are pitch scale, circular disc, central screw and 3 legs. Calculation of least count. Sperometer is placed on a large glass slab so that its 3 legs rest on it. Bring 0 of circular scale opposite to pitch scale. Turn the screw 4 complete rotations. Note the distance d moved by the screw on the pitch scale. Now, pitch is equal to distance moved by number of full rotations. Calculate the least count of the sperometer using the formula. LC is equal to pitch by number of divisions on a circular scale. Now, press the sperometer gently on a sheet of paper so that the 3 legs prick the paper. Join these pricks by using a scale and mark A, B and C. Calculate the distance between the 2 legs of the sperometer. Note these distances AB, BC and AC and take their mean as L. Spherical surface. Raise the sperometer sufficiently enough to keep the given spherical surface on the large plain glass slab. Gently turn the screw downwards till the screw tip just touches the spherical surface. Insert a paper strip for confirmation. If the paper strip cannot be inserted, then the screw tip is in direct contact with the glass strip and the measurement can be made. Note the reading of the circular disc scale which is in line with the pitch scale. Take this as the initial reference value. Raise the sperometer upwards and remove the spherical surface. Count the number of complete rotations by gently turning the screw downwards till it touches the spherical surface. Insert a paper strip for confirmation. Note the reading of the circular scale which is finally in line with the pitch scale. Now, the radius of curvature of the spherical surface can be calculated using the equation. R is equal to L square by 6h plus h by 2. Glass strip. Raise the screw sufficiently upwards to place the given small glass strip below the screw. Gently turn the screw downwards till the screw tip just touches the upper surface of the glass strip. Insert a paper strip for confirmation. Note the reading of the circular disc scale which is in line with the pitch scale. Take this as the initial reference value. Remove the glass strip from below the screw and turn the screw downwards and count the number of complete rotations made by the disc. Confirm the space between the legs using a paper. Note the reading of the circular scale which is finally in line with the pitch scale. Now, the thickness of the glass strip can be calculated using the equation T is equal to N into P plus X into LC.